discovered, and trust me, this is going to help you in your trading journey. So let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to walk you through in this forex trading strategy, and I hope and believe that this is going to help you in your forex trading journey. So before I can get started, you can just follow this page and like this video and also subscribe to the channel. So in case you're wondering which broker I'm using, you can check in the video description. You are going to find the broker that I recommend to trade with. So here guys, let's get into the business of this video. So I'm going to open the USDJPY, and as you can see, so that's USDJPY, and I'm going to go to 5-minute time frame, guys. So as you can see guys, so this strategy, I call it a stress-free trading strategy. I know how stressful sometimes trading can be, but I believe this is going to help you to minimize the stress that you encounter in trading. So how do I trade using this trading strategy? So this trading strategy, guys, I start analyzing the market on the monthly time frame. All right, monthly time frame, that is where we are going to start analyzing the market, coming down to the lower time frame where we're going to find our entries. So I'm going to go to monthly time frame, as you can see. So that's the monthly time frame, guys, and this is USDJPY. And now one more important thing before I start analyzing the market, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the dollar index. All right, the dollar index. So I'm going to first go to dollar index and check what is happening on the dollar index. And why I use dollar index, this is why I'm saying subscribe to this channel and also follow this page, so that the next video you're not going to miss out. I'm going to explain the secrets that are behind the dollar index, for which every trader must know this trading tip. All right, so here as you can see, so I'm going to use the monthly time frame to check what is happening on the dollar index. Why monthly time frame, guys? Monthly time frame, I call it a map, a director. So the monthly time frame will tell me which direction I am going, so that even as I come to the lower time frame, I know the direction which the market is going. Remember guys, always be a trend friend. Always be friend with a trend. Don't trade against the trend. Advise, especially if you're a beginner, always trade in line with a trend. And this is how you discover the trend of the market. So here, as you can see, so I have drawn these levels deliberately. So I have, as you can see there, I can, let me show you something. Okay. So as you can see there, so I have this box and I have this box and I have these blue boxes. All right. So this box here, the first one, is the first box of this pattern. Are you seeing this pattern? Are you seeing this pattern? So this is a peak formation, guys. This is in line with if you are familiar with the beat the market make, I think you understand what I mean. So this is the peak formation, and the peak formation comes and formed a neckline here, which is the support level, and it went to the upside and broke the resistance level. So this is the support level. Then this market ranged. It was ranging. This box, this was the range. So let me do this. So this was the range, guys. Are you seeing? So this was the range. So this market, it was ranging in this zone. Okay. So now, for the market to range, it means that it's forming the support and resistance level. In this case, the support level for this range, it is this point here, and the resistance level, it is this point right there. Then now, after range, it formed this this M formation. Are you seeing? So this is M formation. So now it broke this level, taking off the stop losses of people. Then now the peak formation finally is formed, and this level was broken, and it took off all the stop losses which were placed here on those ones who placed buys. All right. So it broke and it came down there, and now it's reversing to the upside. Here the reason of reversing is also to take the stop losses of people who have no idea on the direction of this market. So are you seeing? So now that you know, so this is the monthly time frame, guys. So this is M formation. So definitely this market is going just to reach somewhere at this point, or even just there where it is. This market is going to proceed to the downside here where I have drawn this level. Are you seeing where I've drawn this? So this is where this market is coming. So the dollar index will be falling. So this whole year, guys, 2025, the dollar index is falling, is coming to this level here. So I'm giving you a signal for the entire year on the dollar index. All right. So don't miss out in the next video that is coming. I'm going to explain the secret why I am analyzing the market on the dollar index. Though I don't trade dollar index, but I used to analyze the dollar index. I used to analyze other pairs using the dollar index. All right. So as you can see, so now I know the direction of this market that is coming down. So I'll be focusing on sell orders. All right. I'll be focusing on sell orders. So now, this dollar index, it coming down. So believe me, the Euro USD is going up as well. All right, is going up. Why? Because the Euro USD does oppose the dollar index. Let me show you what I mean. So let me show you what I mean. So this is Euro USD. I seeing the Euro USD. So the Euro USD, the shape is upside. So this is a W. So Euro USD is issuing a W, while the dollar index is issuing an M formation. So I know the Euro USD is going up. Therefore, I'll be focusing on buy orders. And this is where it is coming, guys. So it is coming here. So I know. So now this is the monthly time frame, guys. So this movement all the way from here reaching this level, this is a lot of money. All right, this is a lot of money that you can make something out of it. All right, so I know now the dollar index, it falling down. I know even what is happening on gold, that gold will be going up, will be headed to the upside direction. Gold and also the BTC will be going up. So guys, this is how I analyze the market after I see the direction of the market. Now, how am I going to find my entries? So I'm going to come now to the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame is helping me to know the zones in which to know the turning points. All right. So remember, this zone here is the one we actually spotted on the we spotted on the monthly time frame as the neckline of W. All right. So as you can see, what happened here, this market broke this neckline, or the support, or the resistance level. Sorry, it broke this resistance level and it came back to the same zone. And right here, I'm going to find my entries if I'm going to enter using the weekly time frame, for which I wouldn't advise you entering using the weekly time frame. You still need to go down, because weekly time frame, you need to have a lot of money in your account that is not going to be wiped out by a small movement. You can identify the direction of the market well, but because of mismanaging your lot sizes based on your account size, it can wipe off your account. And those are the cases where you place your trade, you predict well in that direction, then after wiping off your account, then the market begins to go in your direction. That's what causes, is because of mismanagement of the lot sizes. So I wouldn't want you to be a slave to that, guys. As you are my follower, I want you to know how to trade. Okay, so now that I can see this market making a 10 here, so now I'm going to come to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, I can enter a trade even on the even when I have a $200 account, I can enter using the minimal lot size. So as you can see, so this zone, it was broken here. This is what we saw on the weekly time frame. It was broken, and now it came back and visited and made a U-turn on the 50 moving average, as you can see. And as you can see, this is more like an engulfing candle. So this candle, the late candle and this candle, when you come to 2 days time frame, you are going to discover that this is actually a pin bar, because this candle, it came down and now the opposite candle came up and it ate everything and made a wick. So this is a wick kind of. All right, guys. So I'm going now to find my entries right on the second candle. I'm going to enter my trade right there, and I'm going to ride with the market. I'm going to ride it maybe for even 2 weeks or a week. You're just riding. Look what happened. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So you spotted right there, and look at the movement up to that point, and now it came back to this level. And trust me, this market is still going up, and as you can see, it almost visited this line, which almost it did here. As you can see, the same behavior here, the same behavior there, and this is probably the same behavior is headed to the upside direction. All right. So now, if my account is small, I'm going to narrow it down to H4 time frame. So I'm going to go back to my zone. I'm going to go back to the same zone. As you can see, guys, so this is the same zone. Look at that. So this is the same zone. So this zone was visited. Remember, this is the neckline of W on the monthly time frame, all right, which is broken. And look at that. So it visited here, and now it closed this level, and I'm going to wait for a pullback, and I'm going to find my entry right there. And I'm going to ride with the market, going up with the market. Unfortunately, it came back a bit, but look at that, it just visited this same zone and went up, guys. So my take profit, my take profit would have been here. If I entered my trade here, I would have taken my TP, or right here, first TP, second TP, whenever it visit these moving averages. So the moving averages, I use them for take profit. So this strategy, guys, doesn't require you to have indicators on your chart. You can trade without indicators as long as you spot the zones. Look at that. After visited, look at that movement. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the lies. Look at that. Look at that. The market is just going up. So, guys, this is how you trade. So if your account is small, you can still narrow it down and find your entry on H1. All right, on H1, you know the direction already of the market, so you are going out to find your entries on H1. All right, you can either use these indicators to find your entries every time when they visit these lines. Every time these lines crossing to the upside, you are going to find your entry. So this is an amazing forex trading strategy, guys. So watch and learn. Rewatch if it means rewatching, so that you capture everything that I've explained in this video. Don't rush. Learn this strategy is going to change your way of trading. And stay tuned. Follow this page, and also subscribe to the channel. You can check also the recommended broker that I recommend. Most of the brokers that I've used, I've seen a bit of manipulation, and I have recommended for you a broker that you can use, and this thing is going to work out for you. If you'd want to join also my Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group right there. You find the link in the video description. You can subscribe and learn Forex. I've been teaching, conducting free classes, and also some trading tips, including signals. You can join, and let's milk the market together. I'll see you guys in the next video.